In summary, the new ACL script editor allows you to have both line numbering, which you could see at the top there, as well as word wrap. So what used to happen is you would have the ACL code would string out to the right and just continue and continue on one line, and it was tough to read. And now you do have the option of word wrapping or not, so you can kind of take it on and off, and it brings it around. You can kind of see there in lines 24. You notice there in line 24 with the word wrap that that whole kind of section underneath is not part of the next line. So the next line of code is 25, which is below the defined field search through, etc., etc. Now, another thing that's nice, aside from the line numbering, the word wrapping, is this color coding. And you have an ability, and we'll do it today, to update that color coding to whatever you'd like. So you can change the commands, the background color, the comment style, parameter style, etc. And we'll talk about each one of these. But it really makes it easier to see what you're working with as well in ACL code. So now, what I've done, and you could probably see it online there from where you are, but I've actually turned the background to more of a light pink. So, it's a little more easy on the eye, if you will. Now, the comment code is green in this case. The commands are a dark blue. The parameters are a light blue. And somewhere in here, if you have fields that are being defined, let's try to find a better script here. Oh, here we go. So if you have a function, that function code is in more of a dark red. So if you could see that. So, okay, let's kind of first start out and, taking a look at this script. How do we play with this? So first off, I want to select the line numbering. So we can select that, and that provides that line numbering. Now, if I then select word wrap, which is right here, it then will wrap the words around and will also show me where lines begin and end. Like this is one big line here, number 13. So, and last but not least, let me just setting the style. What you can then do is change your color. So the background color, you can notice I've changed it to a nice pink. You could use whatever you'd like. Comments are in green, which you can kind of see here. The commands are the dark blue. The parameters are more of that lightish kind of blue. And the functions, as we said down below, like that string function, is in a dark red. So again, that's how we're utilizing ACL's color coding and schemes throughout the scripting. And even though it's just a small changes, right? It's really just aesthetics more than anything else. It really does help in understanding your data much further than understanding your scripts and being able to work with them.